To convert a Vcore model to a DTU model, you need to understand the key differences between the two models. The Vcore model is a virtual core-based pricing model, while the DTU model is a database transaction unit-based pricing model. First, determine your current Vcore usage by checking the number of Vcores, memory, and storage used by your database. You can do this by checking the Azure portal or using T-SQL queries. Next, calculate your DTU usage by using the DTU calculator provided by Microsoft. The calculator takes into account the number of database transactions, read and write operations, and memory usage. Then, choose the right DTU tier that corresponds to your calculated DTU usage. There are several tiers available, including Basic, Standard, Premium, and Enterprise. Each tier has a different DTU limit and pricing. After selecting the DTU tier, update your database configuration to use the DTU model. You can do this by modifying the database settings in the Azure portal or using T-SQL queries. It is essential to monitor your database performance after converting to the DTU model to ensure that it is running efficiently. You can use Azure Monitor to track database transactions, latency, and other performance metrics. Best practices for converting to the DTU model include testing your database workload before making the switch, optimizing database queries to reduce transaction costs, and regularly reviewing database performance to adjust the DTU tier as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully convert your Vcore model to a DTU model and optimize your database pricing and performance. Remember to carefully evaluate your database usage and choose the right DTU tier to avoid any potential performance issues or cost overruns.